What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're taking a look at a vacuum sealer machine that was sent out to me by the folks over at Goo Bang Do. So this is my first time collaborating with them on a product, and I'm looking forward to future collaborations as well. So this is the ABox Vacuum Sealer machine. ABox V66 full automatic vacuum air sealing system for food saver with built-in cutter and 10 bags. So right now you can get this over at Amazon.com. You can get it for $79.99, but they also have an add-on for an extra 20% off if you get it today. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this vacuum sealer here. As you can see, it has one-touch operation. The top cover opens and closes automatically. You have an LED progress bar on it. It has a selectable mode, so you can do dry, you can do wet, normal, and soft. So that is awesome. It keeps food fresh for 7 times longer. And it tells you what type of bags that are recommended right here. And this also includes 10 bags as well. That is some of the specs on it. As you can see, the little illustration there. I'm going to demo this as well. So you can go over to Amazon.com. I'll leave the link in the description, and you can read up on some more of the specs on it. Here's the box that it comes in, a big box. As you can see, ABox Automatic Vacuum Sealer Machine, V66. And there's the illustration of the device there. So let's get this over. They have a little more information on the back of it. Some of the specifications right there. It features one-touch operation and LED progress display. Low noise and quick sealing. Open, close lid automatically, compact, and space-saving overheat protection. Get into it and see what we got here. So get the box open. So here are your bags, and like I said, you get 10 of these in there, which is great. So you don't have to go out and buy any bags. You do get your instructions manual here, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to pick up and do some reading on, because I've never owned a vacuum sealer before. So, and let's get this out. So here is the vacuum sealer and some tubes here, which I'm not sure what these for, but we're going to get into it and we're going to check out all this and let you guys know what's what. So let's go ahead and take these out. And I'm going to definitely find out what these tubes are for. And some little ends here. All right, so here they are. You got 3 of these, and you got a bunch of, well, let's see. This is just one long hose here. So there's that. Okay, guys, so these hoses, I did take the time to find out. These are for canisters and vacuum jars, where you can vacuum seal them, those type of, if you're storing stuff like that. That's what these hoses are for. So got that information, and I'm going to put these over to the side here. And here's the bags. So let's take a look at the bags here, guys. So you don't have to go out and buy bags when you first get this, because they are providing bags. And let's see what size they are. So pretty good size bag here. And I know absolutely nothing about vacuum sealing, so this is going to be my first experience with this. And I'm going to figure it out. So here is the device. And I said it was black, but it's more like a gray color, but it's a dark color. Here's the top of it here. Trying to get that where it isn't any light. So you got stop, your mode button for green, dry, red, wet, vacuum seal. You got mode, single seal, external vacuum. and that's what we just discussed. Here's the bottom of it. You do have some rubberized feet there. Here's the back of it, and it's not very big, as you guys can see. And you do have a pretty long power cord there. So, okay, so let's open this up, guys, and take a look at the inside of it. So to open it, pull these two levels here, and that's how you get it open. Okay, so it gives you a little information on the inside of it here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And so the next thing I can do is just go ahead and try and use this, guys. I don't see any more anything else you need to know here. Let's go ahead and get this set up. So here's a big bag of beans that my wife has been storing. And as you can see, it just has this type of seal on it. I transferred a bunch of them to one of the vacuum seal bags here. And we're gonna go ahead and seal this. Attempt to seal this just like this. Wish me luck. But you go ahead and you place your bag in there like that. Close your lid. Make sure that your lid is locked down. And I'm going to press vacuum. And as you can hear the sound of it there, you can see the bag sucking in. Sucking the air out of it there. It's a little bit of noise, not very loud. And you can see the indicator light here going at the top right now. And it has stopped, and there's the indicator light all the way over telling me that it's complete, and it will automatically lift itself once it's done. Okay guys, once it has finished and raised back up, you take your two locks here and you unlock this like so. Pull these out, and now you can raise it up, and you have your perfect seal there. As you can see, no air at all. Beautiful. This will work with your fruit, your vegetables, your meat, your dry products like this. All of it. Keep it all sealed and fresh for a long time. And this is very easy to clean up. They have the cleanup instructions in there as well. Do not touch this area here. It's going to be hot. So another big shout out to Goo Bang Do for sending this out for a review. The link will be in the description, guys, if you want to pick this up. Very nice product to have, and it works really, really well. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.